Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Wozniak. I'm the Executive Director of the National Cancer Institute of Canada, which, as you all know, is the research partner of the Canadian Cancer Society. And I'm always asked, as I'm sure you're asked, are we really making any progress against cancer? And I'm here to tell you today that the answer is a resounding yes, and I know that you'll be very happy to see the kind of progress that we've been making with your contributions and with your support. There has been an absolute explosion, and I really do mean explosion of knowledge about cancer in the last 2 to 3 decades. I would say in the last 25 years we've learned more about cancer than we probably learned in the thousands of years prior to that. And there's been enormous increase in our basic fundamental understanding of how cancer cells work. What makes a cancer cell a cancer cell? Not only is our understanding going like gangbusters, the technology actually is very much keeping pace and in some cases very much outstripping us. And that's probably true in society. It's true certainly in cancer research. We have an extraordinary ability to study genes and proteins in cells. And I'll give you just a personal example. Back a couple of years ago, when I was a young'un, when I was a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Calgary, I had the job of trying to study a particular small gene family. And I was able, over 3 years of my fellowship, to look at maybe 3 or 4 genes in this family, and I never got finished. And it wasn't because I was a slacker, and it wasn't because I wasn't very good. It's because that's what you did. It took you forever to do this. Well, the pace of discovery today is enormously different, and we have something now called gene chip technology. Now scientists can look at 50,000 genes in one slide, whereas I did 3 or 4 over 3 years 30 years ago. That's a huge change, and that gives the researchers today an unprecedented opportunity to forge ahead and ask new questions.